And we get so caught up because we can't see the physical manifestation of the thing that we want. But I need you to know that you have made progress. Regardless of if you can see the physical, there is growth there. The things like never go back, always look forward. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Let's get it. What's going on, awesome party peeps? It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First, and today we're talking about hitting the reset button. And really what I want to talk about is stop starting over, okay? And I want to bring this for my high achievers, high performers specifically. If you don't know what we talk about here on this channel, we talk all things premium courses, luxury coaching and mentorship brands and programs, and how you can start to build those out using your wisdom, your knowledge, your expertise, your lived experiences, okay? You can package those into the format of courses and luxury coaching brands and mentorship brands. If that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when new episodes like this drop and we can hit that live. Now let's get into today's topic, okay? Stop starting over. Stop starting over. So many people I know, especially high performers, high achievers, I have been here too. You are in a space where you feel like where you are currently doesn't match your goals right now, doesn't match the things that you really want to achieve. And I don't know who this message is for, but I know it is for somebody, okay? And it has been for me. And so you are in a space where the physical manifestation of what it is that you're looking for, the goal you're looking to hit, has not appeared yet, okay? You feel like in order to fix that, you need to go back to that point in time where you started from, back to when you had something that you really, really liked, that you really, really wanted, okay? You had achieved and started seeing some progress, and you feel like, oh, I need to start back there, like, because I was making progress towards my goal. So let me go back there and see where I went wrong, see where I made the wrong turn at, see what the mistake was, okay? What the hurdle was. And I need you to know, like, that is you starting over. So I want you to stop starting over. Stop bouncing between where you have been and where it is that you want to go. You already know what the destination is. You already know what it is that you want to achieve. It's kind of like you're moving forward and then you're stopping halfway. You're going back home, right? And then you're starting the journey all over again. Like, this happens to a lot of, again, high performers, high achievers, is that perfectionism. All right, perfectionism in high gear. If you will. We got to know what happened. What did I do wrong? Where was the wrong turn? What's going on, 847 Global? Hello, hello. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. So it's like, where did I go wrong? It's, again, the perfectionism. We kick that into high gear. Again, high performers, high achievers, we do this all the time. And so I want you to take a step back and start quantifying your journey. Like, I know this is like a weird abstract concept, and you know I like to bring a lot of those on this channel, but I need you to start quantifying your journey. I'm going to explain in a second what I mean by that. I can think, like, to put it into layman's terms, right? I have traveled between Tennessee and Delaware. I've taken so many trips, road trips, like, and that's about a 10-hour drive, 11-hour drive maybe. And I go straight through. Like, I like it. I enjoy the scenery. I enjoy the ride. But it would be like me, like I used to do it so often, it would be like me stopping in Virginia. So between Tennessee and Delaware is Virginia. Virginia is a long stretch between Delaware and Tennessee. And so Virginia takes so long. So I used to take these road trips, right? And it'd be a long stretch in between Virginia. So it would be like, if we're talking about the pattern that I just described, right? Getting halfway to the halfway point of where it is that you know you're going and turning back around and going home. It's like me going from Delaware to Virginia and then being like, I know I want to go to Tennessee, but like, I'm not quite sure which turn I'm supposed to make from here or what the next step is from here. So I'm gonna just turn around and go home, because clearly I have like misguided myself somewhere, right? I have made a wrong turn. I have like done something wrong because I'm not in the exact spot in Virginia. I didn't pass that one store that I saw on the way here, right? Or that I know I'm supposed to see. Like, I took an alternative route. So let me go back home and start over again. Like, what? That would be crazy, especially now today in 2025, where we have GPS everywhere. You can buy the little system to put in your car, but it's right on your phone. Your GPS will never send you back home in order to send you to the destination. It'll never make you start over. It'll never say, retrace your steps, right? Like, it'll never say that. And so with that being said, it's going to reroute you from right where you currently are. My high performers and high achievers, I need you to catch this, okay? from right where you are, you can continue moving forward. You can continue going forward. You don't have to start over. You don't have to retrace your steps. You don't have to figure out what went wrong, what the challenge was, what the obstacle was, like where you made a left instead of a right. You can just start where you are. That's it. Start where you are today. If you stop starting over, you will make so much more progress. If you stop trying to figure out where you went wrong, if you stop trying to figure out, how you ended up in North Carolina and you were supposed to be in Virginia. If you stop just qualifying your journey and start quantifying your journey, okay? Start like literally think of it like a physical trip. Again, we get so caught up because we can't see the physical manifestation of the thing that we want. But I need you to know that you have made progress, regardless of if you can see the physical. There is growth there. The things like never go back. Always look forward. There has been growth. You have been growing. What you've been going through has been preparing you to get to the destination where it is that you're going. You don't get to give up in the middle and go back home. All right. You don't get to give up in the middle and try to go figure out what went wrong. Nothing is going wrong. Everything is right on track. It's right on schedule. You just have to keep going and stop stopping in the middle. Stop giving up in the middle. Stop trying to figure it out in the middle. All right. And keep going. You'll start to see the physical manifestation. It's like, you know how when you were a kid, and I know for me, like we used to take several road trips, like a lot of my family was still in Pennsylvania. And so we would know by certain landmarks, like, but we wouldn't be able to see, okay, until we got up on the destination. Like, oh man, grandma's house, right? We're at auntie's house. Oh, we're like, we wouldn't be able to see until we turned the corner. And then you get all excited and giddy, right? All those things. It's like if you've ever caught a flight, like catching a flight, right? On a plane, you're on a plane and you're in the clouds and you don't get to see the ground until it's almost time to land. Like, so the destination is there. You're going to reach it, but you have to stop stopping in the middle and turning back around. All right. You have to just continue forward. Even when you can't see the end. All right. You got to think from the end. You have to move from the end, not like think of the end. I talk about this a lot. There's a difference between how you're moving, how you're operating. A lot of people are operating thinking of the end. When you think of the end, you don't have the faith that you need, that is required to actually get to the end, because it does require some faith. When you can't see something, okay, you're like, I don't know how I'm going to get there. It requires the faith. The faith comes when you start thinking from the end. So now I'm thinking like, oh, I already have this thing. I already know this is a guarantee. Regardless, I'm on my journey. If again, Delaware to Tennessee, I know I'm going to end up in Tennessee, right? So I'm going to get there, but I can't see Tennessee from Delaware. Am I going to stop? No, I'm not. I'm going to keep driving to Tennessee. All right. So again, keep going, keep going, keep going. If you want to stop justifying where you are based on where you've been, you have to start quantifying the journey. Stop justifying where you are, start quantifying your journey, just like we do the physical. And don't try to, again, retrace your steps or go all the way back to the beginning. It's totally unnecessary. So again, the GPS will never ask you to do that. It's going to reroute you from where it is that you are. So I need you to trust your intuition, your guidance, pray about everything, okay? Take it to God in prayer. I always say, even these messages, like when you're listening to different influencers or gurus or people online, okay, even this channel, make sure that you are taking the word back to God so that He can guide you, He can lead you on what it is that you're supposed to be doing, okay? And that's just it. Start from where you are and start with today. Don't go back. Don't retrace steps. Just keep going from where you are. Always move forward and never look back. If you're interested in learning more about packaging courses, okay, jumpfirstacademy.org is where you want to go. If you want to take your wisdom, your life experiences, what it is that you have learned, and package it into something like this that you can give to more people, okay, to people around the world. You don't have to stay local. You're supposed to be global. That's another thing. Like, make your goals bigger. Like, make your goals bigger, where no matter where you're starting from. I don't care if you're like, right now, I got a $10 million business or a $200 million business, whatever it is. Like, there's always more, there's always bigger, because you can make more impact from where it is that you are, not just for your family and legacy, but also for other people. And so if that's you and you're looking to package your courses, jumpfirstacademy.org is where you want to go to get started. Okay. I love y'all. That's all I have for today. I appreciate y'all. Thank you, 847 Global. I really appreciate you jumping in as a mod today. Okay. Because it gets crazy. crazy in here. So I appreciate you offering and I appreciate you jumping in. Shout out to you. Again, jumpfirstacademy.org to get started, y'all. And make sure that if you haven't already and you are new here, you're looking for things, premium courses, luxury coaching and mentorship, brands, positivity, inspiration, entrepreneurship, all those awesome things, okay? Those positive things moving forward, upliftment, encouragement. Send this to somebody else who it may inspire, but also hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when new episodes like this drop and we can hang out live. All right. I love y'all so much. I'll catch y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.